Welcome guys again to my YouTube channel. In this session, we will talk about the type of operating system like Linux, Android, Windows. Along with this, we will discuss about who was the inventor of these operating system and how they introduce it into market. Along with this, how they build it. During this session, we will ask you some question regarding the OS. If anyone know about it, please let us know your answer in a comment. Either if you are wrong or if you are right, it doesn't matter. But make sure that if you know the answer, please do comment.
Good. So let us tell. Okay, can someone tell me what is the first desktop OS? First desktop OS. Which is the first desktop OS?
IBM machine.
Macintosh.
Macintosh. Okay, so I'm happy that you say Macintosh, but it is not true.
DOS.
Macintosh is not DOS. No.
Unix.
I'll be happy if it was Unix. But yes, Unix played a major role. Unix played a major role in giving you like information, giving you a revelation about like for the operating system, right? Linux, no, Linux came later. Linux came later. Linux, Macintosh, and all came later. Okay, let us go. First is NLS. This is the first desktop OS, right? There were a lot of OSs, but this NLS is the first desktop OS, right? So we had a lot of OSs. One among that is NLS. In 1962, it was developed, right? Are you with me? Right, in 1962, right? We had NLS, and then next is Unix in 1971, right? NLS stands for online system. You may ask like why it is not OLS, it is NLS. That is how it has been given. I don't know. You need to ask the person who named it. NLS means online system, right? Don't forget it is online system. Next is Unix. I'll give a brief, the detailed introduction about how Unix is developed, who developed Unix, all those things later. But just now we understand that in 1991 Unix was developed. Okay. And MS-DOS in 1981. Okay. And then Macintosh in 1984. Then Windows, then Linux. Now here, one thing I just want to clarify that this Unix is the base for both Macintosh and Linux. You say Macintosh and Linux, right? Both has like the core of Unix. Both uses the core of Unix. Both Macintosh and Linux, both uses core of Unix. The kernel of Unix is used to develop both Macintosh and Linux operating system, right? So it's like without you, if Unix was not there, no Macintosh, no Linux. That's what I was trying to say, right? So Unix was the one important thing, right? And then mobile OS, right? The PDA, right? The personal OS, right? Palm OS in 1996, right? It was developed by Palm Incorporation, and then it is Windows CE. This POM is no more, right? It has been discontinued, right? It is not there. It is discontinued in between because most of them were not using Windows CE in 1996, developed by Microsoft Windows, right? And then Epoch C32, sorry, Epoch 32 in 1997. Many of them know this Epoch, but they have not heard of this word Epoch, but with a different name. The name has been changed later, but before when it was there, it was Epoch 32. Can someone tell me what is that?
Symbian.
Symbian, very good. Symbian was later named uh, it was later named as Symbian, but before it was Epoch 32. Next is BlackBerry, that is in 2002, right? And then iOS in 2007. Many people thought that iOS came later to Android. No, Android is a copy of iOS. Okay, so iOS in 2007 and Android in 2008 is what I just want to give you.
That's all for today, guys. If you have any query, please let us know by commenting below. If you have any query, we will try to resolve it. Apart from it, you can follow us over multiple social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, as well as on YouTube. Please keep your support with us by subscribing our channels along with your like, share and comment.